In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online with the eBay affiliate program. This is an effective way to earn passive income by promoting products that are sold on eBay. Let's dive right in and explore step by step how you can get started. First, we need to navigate to the eBay Partner Network website. You can simply type in partnernetwork.ebay.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to either sign up or sign in with your eBay account. If you already have an eBay account, just go ahead and sign in. If not, you'll need to sign up and create an account. This account will be your gateway to earning money by promoting eBay products. Upon signing up, there's an approval process. eBay will review your application to ensure eligibility, so stay patient. Once you're approved, you're all set to get started on your affiliate marketing journey. After gaining approval, the next step is to log into your EPN dashboard. This dashboard is a powerful tool that serves as the control center for all your affiliate activities. You'll find all the insights and analytics you need to monitor your performance right here. One of the key features you'll use often is the link generator. Now this tool is incredibly handy because it allows you to convert any eBay URL into a trackable affiliate link. To do this, simply find a product on eBay that you want to promote. Copy its URL, head over to your EPN dashboard, and use the link generator to convert that URL. This process makes your link affiliate friendly, meaning you can track clicks and earnings effectively. Now that you have your affiliate link, the next step is to share it. The beauty of affiliate marketing is the numerous ways you can promote your links. You can share these links on your social media platforms, blogs, or even within a YouTube video description. The idea is to embed these links wherever your audience can see them, click on them, and ultimately make a purchase through them. Remember, the more people click and buy products through your links, the more commission you earn. It's important to tailor your promotions in a way that aligns with your followers' interests, ensuring that your shared products resonate with them. So, there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to make money online with the eBay affiliate program. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to generating income through this program. Explore creatively and strategically to maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you on your journey to making money online.